Hello guys, there we have a Whirlpool Induction Hob 2560, and today I will tell you about all the functions in this device. So the first function is a connection zone. It allows to combine two cooking zones and use them as a single large area, ideal for fish cuttles, pots or grills that cover the entire cooking surface. The next function is a 6 sense. The 6 sense button activates the special functions. Place the pot in position and select the cooking zone. Press the 6 sense button. The display of the selected area will show A. The indicator for the first special feature available for the cooking zone will light up. The next function is melting. This function allows you to bring food to the ideal temperature for melting and maintain the food condition without the risk of burning. The next one is a keep warm. This feature allows you to keep your food at ideal temperature, usually after cooking is complete or reducing liquids very slowly. And the next function is a simmering. This function is ideal for maintaining simmering temperature, allowing you to cook food for long periods with no risk of burning. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.